Hey guys, this is Darron. You're about to watch a video from my full stack React Native course on Udemy. The course has a total of 5 projects ranging from beginner to expert. You will learn everything from styling to Redux to Node.js to Mongo Atlas to authentication. I am posting half of each project on YouTube. And if you like what you see, you can view the rest of the course on Udemy. And make sure you use the promo code GeekMODE. Take care. In this video, we're going to cover MVC, that is the model, the view, and the controller. MVC is an architectural pattern used for developing applications. The view is a visual representation of a model, aka the front end. So far, everything we have done in our application has to do with the front end. What you are seeing is an article component that we will create in the next application. The article component is prepared to receive information from a model, which will be served to us through an API. Which brings us to the service layer, also known as the controller. The controller works as the middleman between the model and the view. It passes the instance of the model to the view. The controller is also responsible for the logic of our application. Node, which is something that you will get familiar with in a later video, is responsible for serving data through an API. The remaining slides will give you guys a basic understanding of how an API works and why it is important. An API is an application programming interface. The API works as a contract between the consumer and the service. Our next project will be a news application. Because we are the consumer, we will need to set up an account, our contract, with the New York Times, our service provider. So why use an API? An API saves us time. Imagine you are creating an application similar to Uber. Your application will need a map that displays the user's location. There are companies like Google that provide this service. Instead of building our own map, we can use Google Maps API. In our next application, New York Times will provide us with information necessary to our application, such as the article's title and description.